Alright, so this is the first vlog of my YouTube. And you already know how we had to start it off. We already know. We gonna be trying. Damn, Mom. We gonna be trying the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
That's really good.
They was dropping how what?
About 100.
They was dropping chicken sandwiches by the hundreds.
Yeah.
And so we got the setup there, you know, little brother about to do this with me.
Ellie,
I got the spicy and I got the regular.
come on this way.
Cause you already know you gotta have both flavors, you feel me? You can't just be out here tripping. What you said? Go ahead. This is what? What happened?
They pray that go touch my bread.
Come on, let me see you take a bite. Come on.
We did it. It's too hot.
The slime vine, this vine, and right on time.
Let me see this. You see this swine? It's fine, divine, sublime, and right on time.
Oh my God! All right, Ma, come on. Gotta see you bite into it. Come on. Come on, bite into it. You gotta bite into it. I gotta get some reaction.
Outside?
She said, I want a piece. Look, she said, you want a piece, Ellie? All right, here we go, Ma.
Oh, this thing nice.
Okay, it's nice. All right, here we at. Where we at? How you feeling? You nervous? You still crying over that, dog?
No.
Here we go, Ma. You ready? Say a quick prayer. Amen.
I didn't even pray yet.
Amen.
What's for the God things for everything you don't do. Man, you gotta break the bread.
You gotta bite the bread too. This is a bit of chicken.
Yes, Lord. God is good.
Okay, all right. Luke?
You never failed me yet.
Oh, they got a little piece right there. Little piece came off.
Yeah, exactly. You get the little piece that fell off.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, come out. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all.
Go ahead, where you at, bro? You okay, you got the sauce, you got the pickles. Oh, my. Let's zoom in.
Y'all really get down.
Sheesh.
Man, they think they slick, man. This ain't no dang mayo. This that $1,000 sauce, man. They think they slick, boy. I smell it from all the way over here.
Okay, all right. Where you at, though?
I'm stacking.
Where you at, though?
Give me a minute.
A minute? See, that's how you know the sandwich about to be good, because you can't even pronounce it.
Give me a minute.
Minute.
You ready? Pow! Look at that. You saw that?
The flip. The flip.
Blessed. The soup.
There you go, Luke.
You gotta put your hoodie on. Check me out. My bad. Alright.
Yeah, we got good zone.
Look at Ellie eating it.
It's hot too.
Look at Ellie.
He allergic to peanuts.
That's not funny, bro.
No, don't do it like that. What you think, bro?
It's not. It's not.
It's snapping?
I ain't never had Chick-fil-A before because I'm allergic. But it's better than Chick-fil-A. Them boys.
All right, here we go. See, I got smart. You feel me? Everybody got one sandwich. Right?
I got two.
Oh, you got two? Okay, so look, you got to tell the difference, right? So, that's the spicy one. I can tell by the sauce. That's the spicy one. So, we're going to go with the regular one first. You feel me? Oh, snap.
No, put the fries on top, but yeah, that's regular meal.
That's regular. Okay. All Here we is. All right. We'll go with the regular one first.
60. I got 60.
And the juicy.
You see why the line long?
It's not dry.
The lady, listen, the lady with the Dollar General across the street and pushed the buggy across the street with all her fitted and comfortable.
This thing delicious. Good God. Okay.
Yeah.
The regular one was stupendous. Jesus. You know this remind me of? Remember when that lady, what's her name, made the pies for Thanksgiving? What's her name?
Patty LaBelle.
Patty boy. I almost said Adam Levine. I don't know why I said Adam Levine.
No, this is
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, so this is a spicy one. All right.
It was good.
Who's that to put the bread in
Got
the chicken?
spicy sauce on it?
So is it bread?
Good.
Oh my God.
That is good. And I like the well-rounded bread because it
It
looks
just melt in your mouth.
and it's a little smushed, so it looks
Everything tastes like chicken.
eating everything on my mouth.
Jay.
I had sex in my mouth.
I just did.
Oh my God.
That is not.
I just did it again.
There's a little bit of sweet tea.
I won. My throat was dry.
Dry.
Because I woke up. Damn.
That's what I said when I did it.
So your dad didn't get one yesterday? He
That's what I'm
had
saying.
chicken?
Mom.
Y'all owe me a present for standing in that line.
You can buy this for somebody's birthday present and you can't be
I already
mad.
told them they was laughing. That's
You
I
could give
want
this,
for my birthday.
somebody could want a promotion from a job they've been working dead end for 15
You got
years. And if
told.
you bought them a chicken sandwich from Popeyes, that would be okay.
Ain't no.
So Chick-fil-A
Everything must
supports-
go. Maybe even you.
So Chick-fil-A supports Trump. When I bit into this chicken sandwich, it felt like I said, Obama.
What a world.
You know what? I got a question. Would you trade a chicken sandwich for your girlfriend for a day? Ooh, for a
Chick-fil-A
day.
is still better, period.
Who said that? Who just said that?
Shut up. Shut your bitch ass up, bitch.
Listen in, Auntie Shirley. Listen in, Auntie Shirley. Yeah. Chick-fil-A.
This sandwich is so good. Listen to this, Luke. This sandwich is so good that if you didn't have no money for tithe and offering at church, you could just put the chicken sandwich in the
You
offering
can.
plate.
That's money.
No.
You know them things are going for 1,000. Them things, these are
Somebody
going.
will
You know how we wait for Jordans to drop. I'm
No.
waiting for the next chicken
Mom,
sandwich
these
to
are
drop.
going.
That's a vine.
No, Mom.
Wow,
I'm
right
serious. These are
Waiting
going for
shoes,
$1,000
waiting for
online.
chicken.
For real?
Quavo got like a whole bunch of them and started selling
Oh,
on stock.
yes, they do take
Oh my
military
God,
discount.
bro.
Because they've been going on.
So this is the Bitcoin of sandwiches.
Oh no, I might have said this for tomorrow.
Military discount.
You need a
got
military discount
Nah.
on this sandwich, bro.
I
Say
did.
the who
I
for
used
tomorrow.
my
It's
military
crazy. I bought two just to take a bite from the both, but I'm about to eat the whole thing.
I know I'm fat. But you know what I'm saying? That don't make us fat. We just
Because
discount.
God is
Sold out
good.
by one.
God is good.
God is great. Thanks to Shama Number and
I don't know.
Like 700.
You have to thank
you got a whole
God.
number. You should have saved that.
Oh,
If you don't get thanked,
spicy.
at the end of this video, I appreciate y'all for watching. It will be dropped soon. I'm really got to turn this off because I'm ready to eat the.
And it's crazy because the chicken and bread ratio is even, but it's bigger. The chicken, it's bigger.
You can tell this is a nigga sandwich because the chicken is dramatically bigger than any other chicken sandwich you ever had.
And it's crunchy. Like when you bite into it, you
it is safe.
Exactly.
every time you go. He said,
Who said hop?
no, because she said
No.
Step on my goddamn cords.
Step on my damn pool. My toe. On purpose, too.
no, how can that be?
Crazy. And it's moist too. It ain't like they biscuits. You bite they biscuits and they take all your saliva out your mouth.
Cause you know that big behind thigh that you eat,
Yeah,
but it be dry
it
when
be
you
dry.
take too long to eat it. It's not like that.
You hear me?
These Popeyes biscuits to soak up the water waste from Taylor.
You
Yeah,
drop
they talk about-
you drop water on the floor. You put a biscuit in the
You don't
water
need no damn.
and then soak all
you
of it
don't
up.
need no damn paper. You don't need no paper
Ain't got
towels.
nothing on
They ain't got nothing on the biscuit.
That's the Mr. Clean to pick her up.
Why you touching my scab?
Like Mr. Clean is embedded in their biscuits.
Yep.
The ball nigga.
They sponsor.
Good
They
brand.
sponsor by us.
I'm telling you.
Biscuits
You know what they call it? Remember saying when you cut
I'm telling you, bro.
Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean.
soak up the water better.